monsters, so I'm going to be showing you a really nice appetizer to serve for your guests for the holidays. You can serve this obviously at any time, but the holidays are coming up and I want to make something using the cranberry jam that I had made from scratch, and I did have a video on that. We're going to be making some cranberry brie puff pastry bites. So for that, I'm going to use some puff pastry sheets. I'm going to show you how to make it using just the one sheet. I have some brie cheese here that I already cubed up. And then I have some of the cranberry sauce that I had made from scratch. Like I said, I have a video. I will put the recipe in the description box down below for that one. And you will need a mini muffin baking dish, or you can use a regular size one too, but I like making them small so they're bite size. So to start, you're gonna take out your puff pastry, make sure that you have it thawed and ready to be used. It takes like about 40 minutes to thaw it at room temperature, but I do have that ready here. And I'm just going to open that up. And I'm gonna go ahead and just use the lines that are already here and then cut them into 12 pieces. And then what you're going to do is get your baking sheet. So take one of your puff pastries, you're gonna put it in here, push it down. I'm gonna put a piece of brie at the bottom, and then spoon on some of the jam on top. And then you're just gonna keep on making them. So my tray, I can make 24, but I'm actually only gonna make half of that. And while you're doing this, you do want to make sure that your oven is preheated to 425 degrees. So just quickly, I'm going to show you what to do after you stuff it. You can either leave it like this, or I like to pinch the tops, so then when they cook, they almost look like a little pocket. Like that. So I'm going to continue making the rest of them, and I'll show you what they look like before I put it in the oven. All right, so I finished wrapping them up. Now I did space it out, like I said, since I'm only making 12, but each sheet you can get 12, but each pack of these puff pastries come with 2 sheets. So you can always use both of the sheets and make a whole tray, or if you want to save the other sheet and do some kind of different flavor, you can as well. But this is the one that I love the best, and this is a cranberry and brie puff pastry. So I am going to go ahead and put it in the oven. It's going to stay in the oven at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like in the end. So the brie bites are all done. They are so crispy, so poofy, really, really cute. You can see that the cranberry and the cheese is like oozing out the top. Let me plate it up and I will show you how you can serve it for your guests. I just have a serving board here. I'm just gonna lay it out here. This last one is kind of stuck, so I'm just gonna leave it over there so I don't make a complete mess here. But these are all done. Your guests are gonna love it. How cute they are. And let me open one up so you can see the gooey cheese, the crispiness. It's so delicious. You guys have to try this for the next holiday party that you have. People are going to love it. And if you like this video, please comment down below, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see for the holidays. I hope you guys all have a great holiday with your families, and Love you all. Bye.